Now I would like to demo how to deploy the Azure AI Live2D chatbot with the Azure static website versions. First of all, I need to you need to go to my repository. Maybe you can clone it or something. Just fork your repo, and then you need to pick the Azure static site branch. And I have set up the dep container so that you install related source code. For example, you need Azure CLI and Tetra from here, and you just create your code space over the branch and click here, and then you need to wait for a moment. The code space has start properly, and now you have to something you need to do. You get your GitHub access token, so that you need the project will able to deploy a GitHub repository and GitHub action secrets, and also you need to log in your Azure CLI. So the first step is it says log in, but it will not working if you just directly, since it's in a web browser. But it does not matter. When the first round you type AZ login, it not work. You got the parameter I need is here, and actually if you try to click on this one, it will still fine. Just log in my Azure account, and below. Since this is a web version, it will not working. So you do need to cancel it. Control C, cancel it, and then you need to just type in the AZ login with user device code. Log in here. Sorry, he's here. You need to command here, and then click on the link, and the device code is this one. Log in my Azure account with. Okay, done. Okay, complete the setup for the account, and just close it. And then now it says you need to set up your environment variable with the GitHub token. There's something like that here. Yeah, my default account is here. You may need to select your Azure account. I copy my token in the next screen. Yes, and just set up my token. Okay, yeah, I got my GitHub token, and now I will deploy the solution. It's just quite straightforward. You just need to click on deploy, one command. Just wait. Actually, it is a CDK Tetraform project. I mean a wrap-up of Tetraform. It will create a lot of resources for you. For the detail, you need to read my blog post with a lot of resource, and setup will do it automatically. Now is the right time. Okay, after a moment, the deployment has completed, and then you need to go to your GitHub and go to your repository. You will find a new repository, something called CI/CD at the back. It is created by Tetraform, and then actually it includes the secrets so that it's able to deploy something in Azure. And go to action, and you will find a file action. Since the first time we clone the repository, fork it from my repository, it will run the initial commit, but it will not work since the secret is not there. So you just go to here, and then we run the job, and then just wait for a moment. After the deployment has completed, you can see the successful message here. And before you visit the website, you should you can get the URL from here. Yeah, from here it's called the default domain in the Tetraform output here. But before that, we need to create some user as the system has a right list of user, and you will find a storage account maybe, yeah, and just under my subscriptions, you will see two Azure table. One is called user. You need to create some user there. For example, you just add add your email here, but you need to remember you need to put both email. For example, this is my email, vtc.edu.hk, and then like that, and you can skip other field. It does not matter, but you remember the row key and the partition key will be the same. But for my case, I need to enable all of my students, and I prepared the CSV already, and I just come to here to import them as in a batch, and the first one will show up. Yeah, just wait for a moment. Okay. The student information have imported into the user table, and now I can try the application from the domain of Azure site. Even we require the login of the using the Active Directory, we also set up here, and then you can pick the whitelisted email address just imported into the Azure Story table. For example, I want to use this one. This one is my school account, and actually it will require to capture the email address and username, and then grant the consent. It will be able to log out, and then no more you no longer need to set your key here, since it will record the Azure function behind the scenes as a proxy for all API call, and then have additional function. For example, here I can just say hi to her. Yeah, it will reply you immediately
Hello.
through ChatGPT.
How may I assist
maybe
you
I can
today?
speak it in Cantonese as well. Yeah. Allow the mic 你好嘛 and then stop it. Oh, maybe just something wrong here. Okay, this doesn't
很
matter.
抱歉，
It will
我不太明白
should be
你的
working.
意思。
Yeah.
你需要什麼幫助
And
嗎？
after I doing the track, it is more feature is that I can have the track history now. Whatever I speak here and the answer, and also I will record down the completion token and the time of the information. Yeah. Okay. Okay, thank you. Here's the deployment demo. And if you want to do the undeployments, you need to delete the GitHub repository yourself. Okay, the first one. And then you need to run the undeploy script here, and it will roll back everything from all the Azure resources, GitHub repository, everything will delete. Okay, thank you very much for the demo.